of course, hiding in plain sight. So, got the ruby and zoisite here. I kind of think it's going to look really cool in this shape. It's just really pretty colors, and I think I have a ruby to go with it, so I think that's going to be neat. I've got a golden pennilith leaf from Golden, British Columbia. She's located in the Pacific Northwest, and I think that's really cool that she's sourcing this from British Columbia. It's got this really gorgeous yellow, and it really does look like a leaf in the fall to me. We've got Laguna lace agate. Sorry, picked up the wrong piece. This is actually the blue banded onyx crescent. Good lord. Okay. I think some of the sunlight's filtering through to pick up the banding, but the color's kind of washing out here a little bit. It's a really, really beautiful piece. And then we have the Laguna lace agate. That has a lot of these really gorgeous reds, has a little bit of yellow, but it's got a different style of banding than like, for instance, this pendant that I made is a lace agate, crazy lace agate, and it's kind of very different. It doesn't have the little demarcation lines at the bottom where it goes across here. I love how different it is. And again, the color's not picking up, but I'm gonna fix that. Okay. And then I've got Russian Amazonite bar. I think it's really gorgeous. I love Amazonite. Oh, and yeah, it picks up a little bit of this luminescence that there is with Amazonites. You can see on the sides here. I think it's picking up in the video. It's a gorgeous greenish kind of sea foam color. It reminds me of the ocean. And then a rhodonite heart. Just beautiful cut. That's the back. And it's very good size. All of these are really for wrapping. Just some of them you'd have to be a little more careful with, but that kind of comes with knowledge and well, Aliza letting me know about the obsidian bobcat, because I don't want to break that. It's so cute. As is this little heart. Okay, need better pictures, but I wanted to share. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you have a nice day. Thanks for watching, and check out SoulEyeJewelry, and there's also hashtag SoulEyeCabs, and she has a shop, www.souleyejewelry.etsy.com. So check her out. She has really cool stuff. Thanks.